Hey everyone, I'm Mikky. Welcome to my channel Invent with Mikky. I'm an inventor and I love to build and create things. And today I'm going to show you how to create your very own ping pong vacuum cleaner cannon. I'm going to have so much fun using this on my little brother. My dad bought me a brand new vacuum cleaner from the shops. This is what I'm going to use to power my ping pong cannon. So we got the vacuum cleaner, and this is a battery powered vacuum cleaner, which is really good because it's portable, so I don't have to attach it to any cords, so I can just go around and play. Attach this on. Let's turn it on. It's really sucky. So to increase the power, I'm going to remove the filter. Click the button and we don't need it because it's going to slow the air down and we want a really powerful cannon. This is the cannon tube and we're going to attach the vacuum cleaner by a hole in there. Don't forget your safety glasses. So I've got my tube and I've got to put it into the vise so it's easier to drill. Okay. Now it's nice and tight. It's unlikely for it to move while I drill. So I've marked a place to drill with this hole saw, and let's drill. All done. Get a bit of sandpaper to clear it up. Let's take it out of the vise. Back to the studio. Now that we've got our pipes and we've got a 90-degree bend, we can put the cannon together. We're going to attach this to the vacuum cleaner, and then we're going to attach this to the long pipe. Dad, can you help me tape it together?
Hey everybody.
So Dad's going to hold this while I use the duct tape to attach. I'm going to start here. Go around.
Right.
And cut. Okay, we're going to add some more. And cut. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to attach a little trapdoor. So we're going to use a piece of cardboard and we're going to use some masking tape and we're just going to tape it like this. So we got our square, now we can attach it with some duct tape. So now that we've finished, I'm going to show you how it works. When you turn the vacuum cleaner on, it sucks air up through the pipe into the vacuum cleaner. But we don't want it to suck air from this end, that's why we have a little paper stopper. When we turn it on, we'll close that down and then we'll place the ball in here. And Newton's first law is that an object in motion will stay in motion and keep going forward. So that means it's going super fast, so it can't go sucked up through the vacuum cleaner. It's going to shoot out past this. Flap's going to open and it's going to shoot the ball out of the cannon. That's how it works. Let me show you now. Put the ball in. Let's go get my little brother. Talia, and we're going to do some target practice together. Bullseye! grandparents. That was a lot of fun, and now for a bit of science, I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the vacuum cleaner, and this is the ping pong ball. So the vacuum cleaner is sucking air through, and the air comes up to the vacuum cleaner. And the ball here gets pushed through by the air, and it goes really, really fast. Newton's first law is that an object in motion is going to keep going in that direction, so the ball is going to punch through the door instead of going up into the vacuum cleaner. And it shoots out. That's how it works. Thanks for joining me in this video. I had so much fun. I hope you make your one too and you have as much fun as I did. Thanks for watching. Bye!